This is a part of the yard you don't see very often. And the walnut tree. Potatoes. Compost. Horseradish. Carrots. Onions. Brussels sprouts. A little test patch for carrots and celery. Lemon balm. Elecampane. And squash in a pot. Some spinach and tomatoes in a pot. Tobacco. Collard. More potatoes. Compost area. Beautiful borage. Nasturtium. I like nasturtium. I make salt with the leaves and flowers. Nasturtium salt. My stick stash, yes. Chives. A few carrots. The old collard. A new stash of straw and a hole that a coyote dug. I put a dish in there. Yeah, I've been over here working. So the chickens, they've been tearing my black raspberries up.